Kind of smoky. Unhealthful air quality this morning due to the smoke from wildfires in Oregon and California. It's nasty out here. Hard to tell in the distance, but the elk are back, despite the smoky air. A little uncertainty as to which direction they should go.
No lighthouse today. Everything's covered with the smoke.
The smoke combined with the marine air is masking the visibility of the lighthouse. What a strange sound. The mountains are obscured by the smoke from California and Oregon. It smells bad out here. My eyes are burning. My nose is stuffed up. When are we gonna get some relief? Even the heron's confused on this smoky day. Now he's gonna hang out on the top of that tree. Eerie day. Smoky.
They got pumpkins.
Yeah, let's put them out. Here comes the drone man.
Smile for the camera.
Another smoky day here in Sequim, Washington, and all over the area. Daryl's gonna fly the drone overhead just like he did the first time, so we can get a comparison of the good weather and the smoky weather.
11. Anything over 10, I'm good. We have 11 satellites that can see us. Record button's going. I'm going to go for liftoff. I'm going to point the thing down just so we're looking down.
That is so cool.
I can do a turnaround and kind of see what we can see.
Okay.
I'll do one more spin to the sun.
Level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
It's pointing at us.
It's a little bit to the side of our house, down the street. That's Nicole, that street below it now.
To the west.
Now, make it look at the mountains. Can you do that?
Yeah. Okay, now we can do a pan around.
What is the altitude?
400 feet, 391. So this is tripod mode, even descending is slower than normal.
That's the maximum?
For some reason it cut me off there because my battery is low. But I'm doing another rotate to see the sun. And I better come home before it tries to do it for me. 200 feet. 30 feet.
Look at that.
And home again.
That was great. All right, a smoky flight.
Should we check it out?
Sure.